Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install a travel widget in lastminute.com. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can just look in the bottom of your right corner and press on your profile there. Now you can just press on travel widgets here and you can just install a widget. You can just press on it and now you can just press on add, and as you can see the widget basically will be installed in your home page basically, and you can find it there once you exit the application. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.